How to enable dark mode on Windows. What's up everyone? In today's video I'll show you a quick and easy way to enable dark mode on your Windows. Without any further delay, let us just get right into it. The very first thing you want to do here is go over to your control panel down below. Click on this icon here right beside your battery, and in most of the cases if you scroll down here you should find your dark mode options somewhere here if you scroll down. If you don't see it, click on this gear icon to go over to settings. Once settings opens up, you need to find your display settings. Go to system, and once you go here, your display settings will be right here on top. Click on display, and you'll see your brightness bar at the very top. Click on the drop down to bring out adaptive brightness, and then finally you'll have an option to turn on dark mode down below. If you don't see it here, you can also use the search icon on the left hand side of your screen. For that, just click on the search bar at the top and search for dark mode. Then you'll have this option to turn on dark mode for apps. Click on it. You'll find this option on personalization. Then click on this option to choose your mode. Now, if it's set to light mode like this, you want to basically go ahead and tap on it, change it to dark, or if you want to set this to custom, you can do that as well. Whether you want your default Windows mode to be dark, and you can also choose your default app mode. To make all of your apps dark, you need to make sure that you've selected this option as dark. You have also an option to change your accent colors. For example, currently you can see my brightness or volume panel is blue, but if I select this orange, it will turn into orange. That's basically it, guys. If you found the tutorial helpful, hit the like button down below and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next one.